I'm Professor Matt Smalley and I'm Director of the European Cancer Stem Cell Research Institute at Cardiff University. And I'd like to thank Nick Phillips on behalf of the Institute for all the support that he's given to us, and in particular for his most recent donation, which enabled us to buy this piece of machinery, which is the X-Clarity tissue clearing machine. It's a fantastic piece of kit. What it enables us to do is take a piece of experimental tissue which might be growing. It might be normal tissue that we want to understand the biology of better, or it might be a piece of tumour tissue, or it might be actually a whole organ from an animal, an experimental animal, in which a tumour has been growing. And it enables us to actually make that bit of tissue go completely see-through, so that with a microscope we can look straight through it. This is a really fantastic advance for us, because previously if we'd wanted to actually look at the effects of a tumour on a whole piece of tissue, we'd have had to cut individual sections all the way through the tissue and look at it piece by piece by piece. Now we can do it all in one go, and this means our analysis is much more accurate, more efficient, and it makes a huge difference to our understanding, particularly of the growth and behaviour of tumours actually inside an organ.
I'm Catherine Hogan. I'm one of the research fellows at the European Cancer Stem Cell Research Institute. And in my research group we're interested in understanding cellular networks and how cells communicate with each other in the early stages of tumorigenesis. So this generous donation has been really instrumental in impacting not only on our research but on the research within the Institute, because it has allowed us to invest in a state-of-the-art equipment that will really help us to further our understanding of cellular networks in tumours. In this present climate, there are fewer opportunities for researchers to bid and compete for research funding for equipment and facilities. And this really highlights the importance of private donations to universities, because through the generous donation of private donors, we can invest in our research infrastructure and facilities. And this will drive research excellence throughout the university. And really what this means is that we can invest in the most up-to-date technologies, which will bring us up on par with the best institutes within the UK, but also within Europe. And this also means that we can train and develop our research staff in the most state-of-the-art technologies. This also drives research excellence, but it also attracts new and talented research to the university. Thank you very much again.
Hello, my name is Dr Helen Pearson. I'm a research fellow at the European Cancer Stem Cell Research Centre at Cardiff University. I'd like to thank Cancer Research and Genetics UK for making a donation of £10,000 for us to buy some essential equipment. We've used this money to buy a homogenizer, which is incredibly important for rapid lysis of tissue, so that we can extract the DNA and RNA and analyse the genomic profile of prostate tumours. We're hoping to use this information to identify new therapeutic targets and also predictive biomarkers for prostate cancer. Thank you.
Your gifts make a huge difference to the Institute, and they enable us to buy pieces of equipment like this, as well as to support the infrastructure and the facilities within our institute, within what we do. And really we actually couldn't do all of the things that we do without these sorts of generous donations. Thanks very much.